And have a look at this. I could probably pull it out one hand here. Oh, that's a bit tough. Literally. Have a look at that. So as you can see, that's the top of the post here. That's where the ground finished. This is what happens to wooden posts if you're not careful, if you don't use some sort of preserver or a sleeve. Look at that. Literally just rotting in the ground. Look at that. So that's what's happened. That's where the mud finishes, and that's what's been in the ground. 4-inch post. It's not even like it's a good quality thick post, probably not particularly that old. It doesn't really look that old, and that's what happens to it. It rots out. So that's why we favor concrete posts over wooden posts. You just get a much longer life out of them, much longer. And just if you're wondering, that was in concrete.